how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw the predator mask. Alright, it's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners, okay? So let's get started, okay? I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a curve right here for the top of the mask. It's going to be mostly the forehead area. Curve down over here. And curve down over here. Right on. Out with kind of the brow area, and down over here, down the center. This is the top of the eye, the top of the brow. Out over here, pull up, curve over the kind of top of the nose area, like this for the kind of nose area, right? Out, out, just to kind of flare out just a little bit. And I'm going to pull straight down for kind of the mouth area. Curve right here. And pull down. There's a lot of different predator designs. Many. So, it's just one of many. Down over here. Down over here. Out. Down. And it's gonna curve in like that, right? Over here on this side, down over here. And we're gonna go in here and draw the eye over here. Eye on this side. It's like the inner eye there, right? Right on. Gonna go over here, curve out. Over the side over here, curve. It's gonna be this like round kind of plate area on the kind of top of the forehead. Up, then across, out, down, out over here, downward, curve in, out over here, downward there for kind of the zygomatic arch area, curve in, down, inward. Alright. Cool. He's got these dreadlocks, so I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull like that. Like just kind of curve. Just that curved line right there for one. Over here. Over here on this side. Right here, just kind of curve. Over here, pull in. Pull in here, up. They look like tendrils, right? They look like octopus tentacles. Over here. Line, 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 line. And over here, up. Curve. Curve over here. Line over here, up here. Same thing now, we're gonna find the curves just anywhere randomly along this. It's kind of like you're wrapping around, like the segments of the actual, you know, the tendrils. Line. Don't forget, by the way, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. Also, check out the store. There's a predator print in the store. Go check that out on sketchingeasy.com. I'll put the link in the description. It is Predators versus Ninja Turtles that I have. It's a print in the store there. And just kind of looking at it more, and I'm gonna throw a little bit of a line right here for a little bit of shape. And I could kind of bolden out the eyes on this one. Just a bit. Right there. It gives it a, you know, specific look there. Curve over here, pull up. And down. Curve over here, pull up. I'm gonna kind of give it a little bit of thickness around the whole thing. A little bit of thick line right here. Not too much though. I want to thank you very much for hanging out. You're amazing. Like I said, absolutely let me know what you think. Give me some, fun feedback. Say hi. Say what's up. If you say what's up, I'll know that you got to this point in the video. I'm like, hey, what's up? And I'll know that you're the one that I was like, okay, you made it. You made it, right? It's always cool when that happens. Anyways, that's it. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Like I said, hit that like and subscribe and share the video if you like. Thank you, and I'll see you next time, okay? Talk to you soon.